In today's episode, we will travel on the top 5 biggest cruise ships in the world. Costa Smeralda is at number 5. Costa Smeralda is a technologically advanced LNG-powered cruise ship operated by the Italian cruise line Costa Cruises. It entered into service in December 2019. It is 337 meters long, 42 meters wide, and can carry 6,554 passengers as well as 1,646 crew members. This ship has dual-fuel hybrid engines fitted with 4 16-cylinder engines, and each cylinder produces 12 90 horsepower and generates a total of 64 megawatt power. Oasis of the Seas is at number 4. The Oasis of the Seas first entered into service in December 2009. This cruise was launched from STX Europe's Turku shipyard in 2008. Oasis is 361 meters long, 72 meters high and has a maximum cruising speed of 23.7 knots. It can carry 5,400 passengers as well as 2,394 crew members. It has a Wärtsilä 128,540 horsepower engine, which has equal power to more than 120 Bugatti Veyron cars. The Allure of the Seas is at number 3. The ship entered into service in October 2010. Allure was built by STX Europe shipyards in Turku, Finland. It has a height of 72 meters, a maximum beam of 60.5 meters, and can carry 5,400 passengers as well as 2,384 crew members. This ship has 6 Wärtsilä engines that produce 43,370 horsepower and has a maximum cruising speed of 22.6 knots. Harmony of the Seas is at number 2. It entered service in May 2016. Harmony is 362 meters long, has a maximum beam of 66 meters, and can carry 5,480 passengers as well as 2,100 crew members. The gross tonnage of this ship is 227,500 tons. It has 4 12-cylinder Wärtsilä 46F engines and 2 16-cylinder Wärtsilä 46F engines. Each produces 13,860 kilowatts power. Symphony of the Seas is on the top. The ship entered into service in March 2018, operated by Royal Caribbean. It is 362 meters long, 72 meters high, and can carry 5,518 passengers as well as 2,100 crew members. The gross tonnage of the ship is 228,081 tons. This cruise ship has 22 decks, 22 restaurants and 2,759 guest rooms. Its construction began in 2015 and was completed in 2018 with a cost of approximately $1.35 billion. Have you ever traveled on any cruise ship before? Comment below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow us for more exciting content.